Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos. So let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. Let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. Oh my god, Cardano holders, your time is now. As you can see now on the screen, the change is positive. 35% change are positive, you can see now, and the high change is $1.14 is the high change of Cardano cryptocurrencies, and that is the live price prediction of 23 March 2021, and that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour you are watching now. So again I am showing you the live price predication on the graph. As you can see now, at this time the Cardano cryptocurrencies are going up. As you can see now, at this time they again falls, and this time they again going up, and this time again fast, very bad. At this time Cardano cryptocurrencies are very bad, but at now they again start growing up at this time. So unfortunately they again falls down at this time, as you can see now, and the high rate is $1.14 is the high rate of Cardano cryptocurrencies at this time you are watching now. So don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.